Hey friends, let's do an update here on Naked Brands. Okay, so right now the stock is trying to break over the $6 mark. It's trying. It's close. It's very close. There is quite the fight right now. The volume on this thing is doing really well and it has a lot of movement. The problem is it's not doing what they're wanting it to do. Now the company doing this reverse split, obviously their hopes were that this would run up to a $7.50, $11 mark. It did not. It has not at this point. Now the $6 range, that's still very possible. Like I said before, I think we're really going to have to get into some news with this new deal with what the company's doing with the EV situation. So obviously the bad news with that is that a lot of people just don't want to wait. Now obviously Naked Brands is coming off this reverse split. Now like I've said in the past, I actually have seen reverse splits, and when I say that, I've only seen two actually work, and one of them I was a part of with Aurora Cannabis, where I actually was able to, I went through the reverse split and then I was able to sell the stock at the reverse split and make money off the whole deal. But it just so happened that Aurora Cannabis was having crazy news come out and the stock was going crazy. Now obviously with Naked Brands, with them doing this reverse split, they're trying to get this news out there about them going into this EV sector, selling electric vehicles now, and it's obvious that they're hoping that the stock would run up to a $7 to $11 mark. Right now we are just not seeing that support. It's not there, and obviously the market is still just trash. You know, we're not seeing anything. We're just seeing massive sell-off all over the board. I think a lot of people were waiting till the last week to see if anything was really going to happen to sell their losses, but I think people are just selling their losses on top of their losses now, and you know, the whole market is just taking a complete hit, and there's no real good news coming out from Congress, the White House, you know, our president. Nothing good is being said. It's just so much negative news. So obviously the hope right now with just any general, the stock market right now, the stock market is that I'm hoping that this dark cloud does not follow into January of 2022, into January, February, March, April, you know, all that down the line. Obviously, I'm hoping that things can really change here, but you know, I don't know, friends. I'm in this with you. You know, this is one day at a time right now. I'm not going to lie, I'm not crazy about how things are being talked about right now with our stock market, how things are being talked about in the news. It's not helping investors. It's not helping people get ahead. You know, we have 1 or 2 days of a little movement, and when I say movement, that's very far in between of, you know, we're just making up lost ground. So friends, I am trying to keep this video short. I am in the middle of nowhere visiting family, and the only Wi-Fi in town is at the local McDonald's, so I am trying to get things out here. Running 3 YouTube channels with no Wi-Fi is a nightmare right now. So friends, I'm wishing everyone luck. I'm watching these stocks. I'm excited, but like I said, I think the rest of the year is just going to be a washout until we can get into next year, next week, and really see how the market transitions into a, you know, just a new year, a new month, a new day, and see what happens here. So friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in your future, and I will talk to you very soon, friends. I wish everyone the best of luck. Happy New Year, friends, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.